Alright, I want to welcome every one of us to Starry Academy. I remain your humble lecturer. I'll be taking us on this course ETN 101, and the course title is Introduction to Entrepreneurship. Introduction to Entrepreneurship. Okay, that's the course title, and then the course code is ETN 101. Under ETN 101, we are going to look at the following chapters: the definition, nature, and concept of management. The definition, nature, and concept of management. Then chapter 2, we are going to look at the foundation of entrepreneurship. Chapter 3, we are going to look at the corporate innovation on entrepreneurs. The